Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck with today's quick tip. The new line I've been embracing lately is a diagonal line. We've seen that increased popularity of the crescent style design. This kind of takes it to a new level. I'm using the New Haven vase from Smithers Oasis, where you can see that you can get a wide spread on your flower placement. So let's take a look at this design. With the liatris, we've created a strong placement diagonally coming from one side, and on the other side, the similar style line is created with the bells of Ireland. I've got a strong focal area that comes in at the intersection of those two lines. I'm using the Free Spirit roses, and then you see how I've done other diagonal placements. So I've got two of the Burgundy Alstrom area that we grow here at Lem Bush coming diagonally, and that adds depth within the design. I have two of the premium coral spray roses, and you can see how those create a line going into that focal area. We've used some Kunti palm for the collaring, and so we've got that placed from one side to the other. And then additionally adding in some of that eryngium, what gives that a little bit different texture and kind of that blue tone. So not a lot of flowers, but really a lot of value. And that's what we need to do for our customers, is increase the perceived value. So creating designs that are unique with everyday flowers. So I challenge you, start embracing that diagonal line and give it a try and show me what you can do. I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates, and I hope I've inspired you to create some fabulous florals.